So now I'll show you how to replace the Prox Card Reader. The first step is to open the door on the back side of the kiosk. To start, we want to power down the kiosk before replacing any components in the FlashParking Smart Station. The next step in replacing your Prox Card Reader is to clip the small zip tie that's holding the connecting cable in place in the center of the unit. Once you've freed the cable, you want to use a small flat tip screwdriver to pry the connector away from the Prox Card Reader. Once you've disconnected the unit, you want to use a 5/16 socket to remove the nuts holding the Prox Card Reader in place. Once you've removed the Prox Card Reader from the Smart Station, you want to remove the two nuts on the back side of the Prox Card Reader that hold it to the metal bracket. Do so using a small Allen wrench to hold the front side of the nut and your 5/16 socket to loosen the nuts from the back side. Once you have your new replacement reader from your FlashCare maintenance kit, and reattach the metal bracket using the two 5/16 nuts and the Allen bolts. Once you've secured your Prox Card Reader to the mounting bracket, replace the Prox Card Reader in the kiosk. Be sure to replace the weatherproof gasket over the front side of the Prox Card Reader before mounting it in the kiosk. Using your 5/16 socket, tighten down the four nuts holding the Prox Card Reader to the kiosk. Once you've reattached the Prox Card Reader to your kiosk, reattach the single cable connecting the Prox Card Reader. Do so by gently inserting it into the slot and firmly pushing up. You can use a small flathead screwdriver if you have any difficulty. The last step is to turn your power strip back on and that's how you replace your Prox Card Reader in your FlashParking Smart Station.